Mastering seamless transitions in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that's quite popular in various contexts, including writing, speaking, and even in the world of video editing. Seamless transitions. Understanding this concept will not only enrich your English vocabulary but also improve your ability to communicate ideas more smoothly and effectively. So, let's dive in and unravel the essence of seamless transitions together. The phrase seamless transitions refers to the process of moving from one idea, topic, or scene to another in a way that feels smooth and natural, without any abrupt changes or noticeable breaks. Imagine it as a river flowing smoothly over rocks, without any interruption in its path. In the context of language learning, mastering seamless transitions can greatly enhance the coherence and fluency of your communication. Seamless transitions are crucial because they help maintain the flow of thought, making your writing or speech easier to follow and more engaging. They act as bridges that connect various ideas, ensuring that your audience can move from one point to another without getting lost. This is especially important in presentations, storytelling, and academic writing, where clarity and logical progression are key. Let's look at some examples to better understand how to use seamless transitions. In writing, using transitional words and phrases like furthermore, in addition, however, and on the other hand, can help create seamless transitions between sentences and paragraphs. In speech, pausing slightly before introducing a new topic, or using phrases like moving on to, or let's now discuss, can signal a transition smoothly. In video editing, applying crossfade effects or using narrative bridges between scenes ensures the story moves forward without jarring interruptions. 1. Know your content well. Understanding the relationship between your ideas is the first step to linking them smoothly. 2. Use transitional phrases. Equip yourself with a variety of transitional phrases suitable for different contexts. 3. Practice makes perfect. The more you practice writing or speaking with transitions, the more naturally they will come to you. 4. Seek feedback. Getting feedback from others can help you identify areas where your transitions could be smoother. Mastering seamless transitions can significantly elevate the quality of your communication, making your writing and speech more coherent, engaging, and professional. Remember, the key to seamless transitions is practice and a keen awareness of how your ideas connect. We hope this video has shed some light on the concept of seamless transitions and how you can apply them in your language learning journey. Thank you for watching, and happy learning!